Hello there, Data Recovery Guru here. Hope all is well. Today I'm working from home. Doing easy stuff. So no clean room today. No mechanical work today. But we had a customer who called in urgently and they needed help with an iMac. Here it is. It's this guy here. This is the box. It's a 1 TB Fusion Drive iMac. It's fairly new from 2017. So it's this guy right here. It's a good machine per what the customer told us. So what happened with it is macOS wanted to do an update to for the Catalina update, and the Fusion drive was full of data. It had a lot of data on it. Very little space for the update to download, and it wasn't enough space for it to go through properly. And as a result, the iMac stopped booting correctly. When you power the iMac on, you can see the macOS loading bar loading, right? You can see the progress bar, but then it fails and the machine just shuts down on its own. So it's kind of like a boot loop, but not quite. You know, you have to actually press the power button every single time in order to see the macOS loading and failing. So what we had to do for this customer is, since it is a Fusion drive, it is very difficult to work with this guy. We tried to do target disk and it didn't work out. We tried another tool, bootable flash drive tool, but it wasn't able to build the folder structure correctly. And what we ended up doing is using a technician version to create an emergency bootable flash drive by RStudio. Shout out to RStudio, very good software out in Canada. You can buy it from r-tt.com. Regular software for home users is like, $70, something like that. But if you want to do professional work like this and create a bootable flash drive, you need a technician's license, which is about $700. So very expensive. But yes, so what we did is we created a bootable flash drive using RStudio Technician, and that was able to successfully boot into the iMac. And we created a clone of the customer's Fusion drive to an external drive like this one, not this very one, another one, just to have as a backup, because once the recovery is done, we're gonna have to reinstall macOS so the customer can get back to work. As I said, they weren't in a rush because this is for their business. They use this machine for business, so they need it done right away. So I brought it to my home to work on it. And right now, the cloning process has been completed. It lasted a few hours. And right now, we are extracting the files to this external drive right here. This is a Seagate 1 TB external drive. So the customer can have it as a backup. And that's it. He has about 480 gigabytes left to extract out of the 923 gigabytes. So as you can see how much data he's got. That's just short of 1 TB. So the update couldn't, for the Catalina update couldn't install properly. So that's why the iMac just started failing and not boot correctly. Oh, just some small parenthesis. The customer actually first went to the Apple Store. He went to the Apple Store, I believe in Dedham, at the Dedham location, Dedham, Massachusetts, and they couldn't help the customer. They, probably tried the same thing, connect in target disk, tried to boot a couple times, and they weren't successful. And they told the customer that The only thing they could do is restore the machine and lose the files, and the data is for the business, and that's not something that the customer wanted. So the customer contacted us, and he made arrangements to meet up, and we got this done for him, and he's very happy. And we're going to deliver the data tomorrow here in Massachusetts, and should be good to go. All right, if you found this video helpful or entertaining, please like and subscribe, and we'll make more videos. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below the video. And if you need help with data recovery, whether it is arrangements for a free diagnosis, please visit datarecoveryguru.com, and on the homepage there you'll see a blue button called Let's Start with a Free Diagnosis. Click on there, fill out the form, and we will be in touch with you shortly after. All right, thanks for watching. All the best. Take care.